Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome to our maths class. So, today also we are going to continue with chapter number 7. Okay, factors and multiples. So, we have learnt about factors, isn't it, in the previous classes. And we have learnt how to find out the factors and how to find out the common factors of the given numbers in the previous classes, isn't it? So, from today we are going to learn multiples. Okay, we are going to learn multiples. Okay, if we take any multiplication like 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 2 3s are 6. So, 2 and 3 are factors of 6, isn't it? So, we have learnt already this. 2 and 3 are factors of 6 and 6 is the product, isn't it? So that product is called the multiple. Okay, that product is called the multiple. See here, consider the multiplication 5 into 6 which is equal to 30. So 5 6 are 30. So 5 and 6 are factors of 30, isn't it? So these things we have learnt already. And we know that 30 is the product, isn't it? So this product is known as the multiple of 5 and 6. Okay, so this 30 is the multiple of 5 and 6. Okay, so see, consider the multiplication 5 into 6 which is equal to 30. So 5 and 6 are factors of 30. The product 30 is known as multiple of 5 and 6. Okay, so 5 and 6 are factors of 30 and 30 is the multiple of 5 and 6. Okay, so how to find out this multiple for a given number? So to find the multiple of a given number, we have to multiply that number with any counting number. That is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. So to find the multiple of a given number, we have to multiply the given number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is counting number. Okay. See, we can find multiple of a number by multiplying it with 1, 2, 3 and so on. So multiple of a number is equal to the number into any counting number. Any counting number means 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Okay. So to find out the multiple of a given number, we have to multiply the given number with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay. And one more method is there. To find the multiple of a given number, we can skip count. Okay. So multiples of a given number can be obtained by skip counting. So if we are going to find out the multiples of 5, then we can skip count by 5. So 5, 10, 15. So if we are going to find out the multiples of 5, then we can skip count by 5. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Okay. So this is what they told here. That is the number into any counting number. The number is 5. Here 5 into 1. 5 into 1 which is equal to 5. 10 is 5 into 2. And 15 is 5 into 3 is equal to 15. And 20 is 5 into 4. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, etc. are the counting numbers. Okay. Or we can directly write the multiples by skip counting. Okay. Skip counting by the given number. Okay. So we'll see some examples, then you will get a clear idea. Okay. Example. Write the first 5 multiples of 2. So we are going to find out first 5 multiples of 2. Okay. So how to find out the first 5 multiples of 2? So they have given 2 methods, isn't it? One is the number into any counting number, isn't it? So here 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 up to 2 into 5, isn't it? Because they have asked only first 5 multiples, isn't it? So we can stop with 2 into 5. And another method is we can skip count by 2, isn't it? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So directly we can write the multiples by skip counting. Okay, skip counting by 2. Or otherwise, we can use that method. The number into counting number. Okay. So see the solution. The first 5 multiples of 2 can be obtained by multiplying 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can stop with 2 into 5 because they have asked only first 5 multiples of 5 of 2, isn't it? So we can stop with 2 into 5. Okay. So 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 into 3. 2 threes are 6. 2 into 4. 2 fours are 8. And last one 2 into 5. So 2 fives are 10. So the first 5 multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So the first 5 multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay children. So you can use this method or you can directly write the multiples using the skip counting method. Okay. So skip counting by the given number. Have you all understood children? So in this problem they have asked only first 5 multiples, isn't it? So we can stop with 2 into 5. With that we got the first 5 multiples of 2. Okay children, so we have to multiply 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, then we will get the multiples of 2. Okay children. So the next one, to check whether a given large number is a multiple of the smaller number. What we have to do? We divide the 2. So they may ask, they can give one number and they can ask whether this number is a multiple of one small number. So what to do? We have to divide both of them. Okay. So if the remainder is 0, then the larger number is a multiple of the smaller number. If the remainder is not 0, then the larger number is not the multiple of the smaller number. Okay. To check whether a given larger number is a multiple of the smaller number, we divide the 2. If the remainder is 0, the larger number is a multiple of the smaller number. If the remainder is 1 or more, that means is not 0, then the larger number is not a multiple of the smaller number. So shall we see one example? Yes. So is 84 a multiple of 6? So the larger number 84 is a multiple of 6. We are going to check. For that, what we have to do? We have to divide 84 by 6. If we get the remainder as 0, then 84 is a multiple of 6. Okay. So if we get any other number as a remainder, then 84 is not a multiple of 6. Okay, shall we divide? Yes. So 84 divided by 6. So 1 6 are 6. Subtract 8 minus 6 is 2 and bring down this 4 here. So how many times it will go? 4 times, isn't it? 6 4s are 24. So we get the remainder as 0. So 84 is the multiple of 6. Okay, children? So to check whether the given large number is a multiple of the smaller number, we have to divide the 2. So if we get the remainder as 0, then the larger number is a multiple of the given smaller number. If we do not get remainder as 0, then the larger number is not a multiple of the smaller number. Okay. So in this problem, we get 0 as the remainder, isn't it? So 84 is the multiple of 6. Okay. So see the solution. 84 divided by 6, which is equal to 14, and remainder is 0. Since the remainder is 0, 84 is a multiple of 6. Okay. If the remainder is not 0, then 84 is not a multiple of 6. Okay, children? Yes. So we'll do the exercise problems. Okay. Exercise 7.2, first problem. Write the multiples as directed. First question. First 4 multiples of 7. First 4 multiples of 7. So we can find out the multiples of 7 by 7 into 1, 7 into 2, 7 into 3 and 7 into 4. Or we can find out the multiples by skip counting. Okay. So they have asked only first 4 multiples, isn't it? So 7 into 1. 7 ones are 7 and 7 into 2. 7 twos are 14. 7 into 3. 7 threes are 21. 7 into 4. 7 fours are 28. So we have find out first 4 multiples of 7. What are they? 7, 14, 21 and 28. So these are the first 4 multiples of 7. Okay. Have you all understood, children? Yes. See B. Fifth multiple of 9. Fifth multiple of 9. So we are going to find out the fifth multiple of 9. For that, what we have to do? We have to multiply 9 by 5. Because they have asked fifth multiple, isn't it? So we have to multiply this 9 by 5. 9 5s are 45. So 45 is the fifth multiple of 9. Okay. Fifth multiple of 9 means 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. So 45 is the fifth multiple of 9. Okay. Then C1, 11th multiple of 5. 11th multiple of 5. What we have to do? We have to multiply this 5 by 11. Correct. So 11 into 5. 11 5s are 55. So 55 is the 11th multiple of 5. Okay. And D section, first 5 multiples of 3. So first 5 multiples, not fifth multiple, first 5 multiples. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. And 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 into 4. 3 fours are 12. And 3 into 5. 3 fives are 15. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are the first 5 multiples of 3. Okay. So they have asked first 5 multiples, isn't it? So we have to multiply this 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So we got 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15 are the first 5 multiples of 3. So we can do this problem by skip counting also. How to do? So skip counting by 3. The given number is 3, isn't it? So skip counting by 3. So first number is 3. Next one is skip counting by 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And next one, 6 plus 3 is 9. Next one, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got the same 5 multiples. First 5 multiples of 3. So we can do this problem in this method also. Okay children? So you can copy down in your textbook. Okay? Yes. The next one, second problem. Color the circles which are not the multiples of the numbers given in words. So we are going to color the circles which are not multiples of the given numbers. So they have given the numbers in words. Okay. And we are going to color the circles which are not multiples of the given number. Shall we do? Yes. So see the first one, A, 4. So we are going to color the circles which are not multiples of 4. So if we do the skip counting, then we can easily find out the multiples of 4. Okay. So first one 4. Next one 8. Correct. 8 plus 4 is 12. Correct. 12 plus 4 is 14. No, isn't it? So 14 is not a multiple of 4. So you have to color this circle. Okay. And next one, 12 plus 4 is 16. So 16 is a multiple of 4. And 16 plus 4 is 20. So 18 is not a multiple of 4. So you have to color the circle. Okay. And 20 plus 4 is 24. So 22 is not a multiple of 4. So you have to color this 22. Yes, is it clear children? So we are going to color the circles which are not multiples of the given number. Okay. See the next one, 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So 18 is a multiple. And 18 plus 6 is 24. So 20 is not a multiple of 6. So you have to color. Okay. And 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 30 is here. So 26 and 28 are not multiples of 6. So we can color 26 and 28. So 6 fives are 30. 6 6 are 36. Yes. 6 6 are 36 and 6 sevens are 42. So 42 is also multiple of 6. So we need not color 42. Okay. And next one 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. So 46 is not a multiple of 9. So we can color. And 9 6 are 54, isn't it? So 56 is not a multiple of 9. So we can color 56. Okay. So 9 6 are 54 and 9 sevens are 63. 9 8s are 72. Yes, 9 9s are 81. And 9 10s are 90. And 9 11s are 99. So here 9 12s are 9 10s are 90, 9 11s are 99 and 9 12s are 108. Isn't it? 9 12s are 108. So 111 is not a multiple of 9. So we can color 111. Okay children. So the last one you can try on your own. Okay. And you have to color the circles which are not multiples of 12. Okay. Will you do it? Yes. So the next one, third problem. Solve and answer. Give a reason for your answer. A. Is a 90 a multiple of 5? So we are going to check 90 is a multiple of 5 or not. For that what we have to do? We have to divide 90 by 5. Isn't it? We have to divide 90 by 5. So if we get the remainder as 0, then 90 is a multiple of 5. If the remainder is not 0, then 90 is not a multiple of 5. So first we have to divide 90 by 5. So take 9, 1 5s are 5. So subtract 9 minus 5 is 4, 0. Bring down the 0. So 40. So 8 5s are 40. So the remainder as, so we get the remainder as 0, isn't it? So 90 is a multiple of 5. So we have to give a reason. We know that 90 is a multiple of 5. So we have to give reason. As remainder is 0, how to write? As remainder is 0, 90 is a multiple of 5. Okay. As remainder is equal to 0, 90 is a multiple of 5. So we know that 90 is a multiple of 5. What is the reason? Remainder is 0. Okay. So you can copy down in your textbook, children. Okay. So as reminder is 0, 90 is a multiple of 5. Okay. So shall we move on to the next one? Yes. So next one is 124 is a multiple of 3. So we are going to check. For that, what we have to do? We have to divide 124 by 3, isn't it? So 124 divided by 3. So if we take 12, then 4 3s are 12. Subtract 0 and bring down this 4 here. So 1 3s are 3. So if we subtract, then we get the remainder as 1. So here we get remainder as 1, not 0, isn't it? So which is not 0. So 124 is not a multiple of 3. Okay, as remainder is equal to 1, 124 is not a multiple of 3. So how to write? As remainder is not equal to 0, 124 is not a multiple of 3. Okay. As remainder is not 0, 124 is not a multiple of 3. Okay. So in this you can write it in your words also. As remainder is not 0. As remainder is not 0. Okay. As remainder is not 0, 124 is not a multiple of 3. Okay, children. So you can copy down in your textbook. Okay. Fourth one, skip count to complete the following sequence. Skip count to complete the following sequence. So first one, multiples of 5. So starting from 25. So we are going to skip count by 5. Okay. Since they are multiples of 5, we are going to skip count by 5. Okay. So 25, 30, 35. The next number is 40. Correct. Next one, 45. Next one, 50. Next one, 55. Okay. So next one, multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. So 40, 48, 56. And next one, 56 plus 8, 64. And next one, 64 plus 8, 72. 72 plus 8, 80. 80 plus 8, 88. So these are the multiples of 8. That is skip count by 8. Okay. So you can copy down in your textbook, and the remaining one you can try on your own. Okay, children. So study well. Thank you.